Going to talk about how to create a drip email campaign. So the tool I'm going to use is a MailerLite. If you don't know about this tool, you can get a free trial of this tool. This is a totally free tool to use with limited features. If you want more feature, you can upgrade to their pro plan. So this tool is really simple to use for the people who are getting started into email marketing. The link is in the description of you. If you're watching this video on my blog post, then you can find the link just below this video or at the top right corner of this page. Alright, so before getting into it, I would like to show you how basically a workflow look like of an email drip campaign. So these basically are the sequence emails. For example, this is a one email, then this is a second email, and this is a third email, and these are the conditions. This is a condition and this is a waiting time. Okay, so what I am doing here, I am when subscriber joins my ebook downloads group which is on MailerLite, then I am immediately sending an email thanking them and also nudging them to try out my free email free SEO tool. Immediately this email will be sent immediately. Then I am waiting one day, and after one day I am checking if the receiver has clicked on a specific link, the free trial link. If he has checked, I am sending them, welcome to my SEO tool, enjoy your free trial, 2 days premium free trial. You can put in content as you like. I have not focused on the content. Then after 3 days again I am reminding them that your free trial has expired and now you can buy the tool with a discounted price. I am not adding anything here because just to sake of this simplicity of this video. Okay, so let's get started. We will create the same workflow. Now to get start, click on create campaign. You can select auto resend campaign or you can go to automation, then create workflow. Click on create workflow. Give the name for your workflow. I'll give it free trial of SEO tool. So when this workflow should trigger, there are different conditions. Let's not go into each of these conditions. Let's focus on the simple condition, which is when subscriber joins a group. Now it will ask me to select a group or create a new group. I'll select a group. I'll select ebook downloads group that I already have. It is asking me to repeat workflow for subscriber who rejoins the group. If someone unsubscribed from the group and rejoins the group, do you want to send them the emails again? That you can decide on your own. I'll click on save. Now here is the place you create the drip email campaign workflow. To add the conditions or email, click here. So to add a next step, for example, when subscriber joins ebook download, what you want to do? You want to wait, you want to put in any condition, or you want to send an immediate email. Suppose I want to send an immediate email. I click here. Name of the email, I will say welcome welcome email. I'll put in the subject like thank you for downloading ebook. Okay, so this email is from my name, my email. This will be visible to in their inbox. Now you can design email. The beauty of MailerLite is you can use drag and drop editor. Let me show you how. Click on design email. Here they have a template gallery to choose from. You can choose any template that suits with your business. You can also choose recent emails. You can create a new with rich text editor, HTML editor, or drag and drop editor. You can also make use of your saved templates. So first I will create a new email, drag and drop email. Okay, so here it is. There are different sections, as you see. Though whichever sections you don't like or don't want, you can simply remove that sections. So I have removed these. I don't want these. Let's not focus on content. Let's focus on workflow, how to create the drip campaign. So I will title here. I'll give a title like thank you for downloading my free ebook, and here let's first align the text to the left. And if you want to make use of personalization, you can do that also. Hey, here you can put in their name, for example, hey Pritam, so that will look like personalized. Thank you for download. As I promised, I am giving you a, let's say, 7 days free trial of my SEO tool. Okay, you can write like click here to grab the tool. You can select this entire thing and add the link, and suppose I'm giving this link, open in a new tab, click open in a new tab and insert. So this link is inserted. Okay, you can write more content. Obviously here it is CTA, this button is there. Again, you can edit this button like grab my SEO tool for 7 days. Again, you can put in the URL. Okay, so yeah, your email is done. You can see footer, your name, your address, your social icons. Unsubscribe button is there, which is really important. So your email is done basically. Again, you can spend more time designing your email based on your use case. I'm just telling you how to create the workflow, so I'm not spending much time in designing the content and email. Just click this, just delete this view in browser, otherwise that will be visible in the inbox. So this is done. If you want to preview your email, you can click on preview mode, so it will show you how the email would look like in a inbox. So this is how it will be visible in the desktop, and this is how it will be visible in the mobile. You can also save it as PDF and send it to your teammates, or you can directly copy this link and send it to your teammates. Alright, so this is done. And if you want to save this template, this email as a template, you can go here and save a template. So I have already saved it. I'm not going to do it again. Alright, so done editing. Sorry. Perfect. Our first email is done. For when someone joins or someone downloads my ebook, they will be receiving this email. Okay, so now I want to wait for 1 day and let them enjoy the ebook, or even 2 days. Let them enjoy. I'm not going to send another email immediately. Let them enjoy the ebook. After 2 days, I want to check if they have clicked on the link to try out my SEO tool. So how to do that? You can set a condition here. So create condition. You can create up to 5 conditions. I will create a condition which checks if the receiver has clicked on the link, a specific link, not any link, the specific link. So the condition is work workflow activity. Select a workflow email. Which email you want to check the condition for? I will check the user in this email receiver if they have clicked on the email. So I will select welcome email. Select had clicked, had any link clicked, had a specific link clicked, was open and did not have a specific link clicked, was not open, was open, was open with no links clicked. So there are many conditions you can apply, but for the sake of simplicity, let's go with had a specific link clicked. Now you have to select which link. So I will select this link, okay, and click on save. So now this condition will check if receiver has clicked on that link. If there is a high possibility that they have clicked and are using my SEO tool, and if they are doing that, let's add another email. Let's wait for a day. For example, I have wait for 1 day. Then I will add another email checking if they are or telling them that welcome to the tool and enjoy your free trial of 7 days. All right, or you can remove this 1 day wait and directly send them an email like welcome to 7 days free trial of SEO tool. You can keep the email name and subject name same or different depending on how you use it. Okay, now again I have to design the email. So I'll click on design email. Now I will choose from the templates that I have previously saved. I'll select this template. It will take me to email editor. Again, if I want to make any changes, add any elements, suppose if I want to add a button, I can do this drag and drop. Like if I want to move this button downwards, I will click this. Suppose I don't want this image, I will remove this. I don't want this button, I will remove this. The helpful links I don't want, I can remove. So you can do or customize the email as per your needs. So let's change the subject. Let's say enjoy the 7 days of SEO tool. Okay, that is done. Then let's customize this. Hey name, hope you are enjoying the 7 days, enjoying the free trial of my SEO tool. Again blah blah blah, you can add more things to it. And then again button, you can ask them to join me on Telegram. You can do all sort of things. Okay, then if you want to add link to your Telegram, you can add link over here. I'm putting this just hash, just a placeholder. Okay, so this email is ready. I will click on done editing. So similarly, if you want to add a condition or add an email for the people who have not clicked on the link, you can do here email and you can nudge them to take free trial. Okay, I'm not going to create that flow. Okay, so after 7 days, not 7 days, I think after 8 days, I would remind them that their free trial has expired. So I will add 8 days delay and I will add another email. So it will be like free trial expired. Let's say over, expired is a negative word, over, free trial over. Okay, you can try out different subject lines. Let's say design email. Let's choose it from the template only. So the best part of MailerLite is you can try out different templates, and depending on your need you can customize them in drag and drop editor. You can also, by the way, you can also change this logo. Okay, so now the free trial is over. What email I would be sending? So I can say free trial is over, but don't worry, I have a good news for you. Okay, what is that good news? So I am giving away, let's say, hey, the free trial is over and I hope you liked my SEO tool. Right, I am giving a discount to my subscribers or people who have downloaded my ebook. Subscribers, click this link to get 20% off. Alright, so you can give a link. Perfect. Can remove these things. Let's keep it simple. Awesome. Okay, so this is the CTA email, you can say. Again, you can save it as template, preview, or send a test email. Also you can send a test email and see how this looks in your inbox. When you are done, click on done editing. Okay, we are back, and yeah, so this is how the flow is. The workflow is the simple workflow. Again, you can explore more. You can go and explore more actions. You can add delays, you can add conditions, you can add another actions where here you can define the action, update custom. There are a lot of things you have to explore. I'm one by one I'll be updating the videos on the same conditions, different actions and different conditions in MailerLite. Just stay tuned. And yes, if you haven't tried MailerLite, I would suggest give it a try. The link is in description. And yeah, this is how the workflow is done. You can, if I click on, it will send immediate email to all my people who are in this subscriber group. Okay, so this is how the workflow is. Let's understand it one more time. When subscriber joins or when someone downloads my ebook, they are automatically taken to ebook download section, a group. Then they will be receiving an immediate email thanking them about downloading my ebook. Then I will wait for 2 days. Then after 2 days I'll check if they have clicked on the link which gives them a free trial of my SEO tool. If they have clicked, I will send an immediate email like enjoy the 7 days of free trial. I will not interrupt them for 7 days. After 8 days I'll send them a reminder email that your free trial has expired and now you can do this thing. You can click on this link and take 20% discount. This is how you create drip email campaign. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. For more videos on digital marketing and email marketing, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.